Hello everyone. This is Vivan mom. My kid is 4 year old and he is a CP child. We are taking therapy and special education in NIPMED only, Chennai. Basically, we are from Pune. Actually, 4 years before when Vivan born, he didn't cry at the time of birth. He was unconscious due to some problems in when he was in my tummy, and at the time of birth he was totally unconscious. uh, Literally he was on ventilator, and then doctor told us that he may be a normal kid or he may be having some brain damage, as he didn't cry, so we are not sure till now. But we will start treatment and let's see what will happen. But they gave us idea that it may happen, so we were ready. That's we said okay, and he shifted to NICU. In NICU my journey was of motherhood was started, and I was like giving my express breast milk after every 2 hours, and going in NICU and sitting for 2-3 hours for KMC. And I was worried also, I was scared also, but side by side I was having some good feelings also that no, my Vivan will be okay, he will be a normal boy. But after 11 days he was discharged from NICU and I came at home. Then I was enjoying my motherhood, like feeding him, expressing milk and storing, taking his care, following all the precautionary measures, sanitizing and everything. I was taking care of him till his age of 5 months. I was okay, but side by side I was observing that he was 5 months old, but he was not having neck control. He didn't try to turn normal milestones, he was not achieving till the age of 5 months. Then again I contact with my pediatric, and he said no ma'am, we have to do MRI. Then we said okay. Then we did MRI. That was a little bit painful procedure for me, emotionally painful, because he was a very small baby and he was having lots of sensory issues. He was crying. Then but we went through that procedure, and when we got the reports, that was really very bad patch for my family, because it was very hard to accept that your kid is having some problem, your kid is not a normal boy. But doctor told me, as a mother I am not allowed to cry, I don't have to cry, I just have to do my duties. If I want to make my child as a independent, crying is not option for me, I just have to do hard work, that's it. And then as per doctor's opinion we started physiotherapy. That was also very painful emotionally and physically also, because he was crying too much while having that therapy and all. But we make him adopted, we make him calm, we make him adopted to that therapy. We try to make his interest in that therapist. For that we tried different things, and slowly he was used to that handling, he get used to that clinic, and he was okay with those things. But till age of 2 years I didn't saw that much improvement. So again I search a lot in India where we can having some different clinics or any good institutes for these special kids. Then I get to know that it's NIPMED. So for Vivan only I shifted my family from Pune to Chennai. Now from last 2 years we are living in Chennai only. Here in NIPMED I got that yes, I'm at right place. Here physiotherapy is there, occupational is there, speech is there, and education is there. Everything is at one place. So it's easy for me also and for Vivan also. So we started again therapy and everything. So in these 2 years what I feel, First improvement is Vivan is holding neck, not 100%. He is controlling neck continuously for 2-3 minutes, and now my target is increasing his neck holding time. So I am focusing on that. Second thing, he learned to blow. He learned to drink water with straw. That sucking and blowing he learned. Then nowadays he is saying Amma, Baba, Kaka. This words he is saying. He's trying to say. He's saying by himself. Then next is he is showing his likes and dislikes, like if smell or a particular touch, he is showing with his expressions what he like and what he don't like. These things he is showing. One more thing is he is identifying his family members like mama, papa, granny and grandpa with voice and with face. He is identifying. He is identifying that mama is scolding me or mama is pampering me. He is identifying those things also. And he is now he knows the meaning of no. What is meaning of no he knows, and what is meaning of s, that also he knows now. When I am saying Vivan, no, you don't have to do this, then he's avoiding, means at least he try to stop that. Next is he knows he follows my commands while doing exercise or while I'm teaching him something, like Vivan, stand up, sit down, slow, fast, touch, then lie down, like these things he is understanding. So he is following very nicely. That is the main thing that he is improving, because he is following my commands very nicely. Next thing is like that he is showing his interest in music. He likes particular music, particular songs or particular rhythm kind of music he is loving, and he is showing that yes mama, I'm liking it. He is smiling. If something is he don't like, he started crying. That is, I should come and change that song or change that music, like that. Next he started to say like I. In our Marathi mother language, I means Amma. So I told him, Vivan, see, whenever you are thirsty, whenever you want something, you can say I. So when I am not in front of him or he is thirsty, he is saying like that I. Then I am going, if I say Vivan, you want water, then he is smiling, he is opening his mouth. So these are some small improvements. I know these are very small, but for me it is very big, because my kid earlier these things also he was not able to do, but now these things he is able to do. I know we have to achieve long goal, but me and Vivan are ready to fight everything. We both are ready to do each and everything, every hard work, every smart work to achieve our goal. And by God grace, I got very good family and very good teachers, doctors for him. So I hope very soon Vivan will walk one day, and I always hope for best for my kid. And I thanks God for giving me Vivan, and I just love my Vivan. Thank you.